How to remove the mixing bowl. Open the hopper door. Start by rotating spouts on the powder hoppers to the horizontal position. This prevents powder from spilling as you remove the mixing bowl. Next, disconnect the milk tube from the mixing bowl and unlock the mixing bowl by turning the green tab to the right. Then pull out the mixing bowl and disassemble for cleaning and sanitizing. How to replace the mixing bowl. Reassemble the mixing bowl parts and slide the assembled bowl back into its original position. Lock the mixing bowl by pushing the green tab all the way to the left. Then reconnect the milk tube to the mixing bowl by pushing about 1/2 inch of the tube back into the mixing bowl. Call us at 888-CUP-BREW and select option 5 with any questions. Thank you.